darling. I'm back with another layout, and this was a quick one. It only took me 14 minutes total. It was the third layout I did of my great niece, and I was in the groove with doing these. So the other thing is it's raining really hard here, so I hope it's not too disturbing for you. Anyway, I'm using the Park Baby Girl collection, which I've used with all of her layouts so far. Love, love, love this collection. And I absolutely love that wood grain paper. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome. I have a ton of it, so you'll be seeing a lot of those. That paper is called Little One. And then I'm adding this floral paper on top of it. And that paper is the Newborn Floral. And I didn't get it on straight. I didn't take my own advice, which was just to glue one side and then come back and glue the rest of them. That's what the problem is. So these are brand new. She's this is her birthday, literally, for these photos here. And I wanted, that stork is cute. I wanted to use it, but it is also a little bit silly. And it's not really facing the correct way. It should be on the left side, but I didn't like the way it looked if I put it on that side with orientations of the photos. It took up too much of the photo of her arm there. Here, there's some more there's some blank space there because it's just the bedding. So I like that a little bit better. So what I'm doing now is I mounted those photos and the stork on that green dot paper, which is the back of the Newborn Floral actually. And then I'm adding that chipboard stork, which is from the Baby Girl chipboard accents. And then I grabbed this wood alpha here, and I'm using just one of the letters. I used it to determine how big I needed that space below the photos. That wood alpha is the American Crafts Detail Thickers. So there they are, and I know I'm going to call this Welcome. And the alpha is kind of variegated, so I'm watching a little bit like what letters are coming up, what letters I'm using, but I'm trying to mix it up without being too intentional about that. So they still look kind of random. Not sure how well that came out, but anyway, hopefully okay. The chipboard stork there is from the chipboard accents from the Baby Girl collection. And then I have that little die cut right now that says Welcome Baby up there, and that is from the ephemera die cut pieces. That I'm going to end up putting down here though. There was too much space down there, so I decided that made sense. And it does say Welcome Baby. I know that's a little redundant, but that's okay. It's my layout. I get to decide stuff like that, right? And then here I have that darling chipboard circle there with the little bit of floral, and I love being able to put a floral on this page. And that's a sweet baby girl. And then I have that little wood piece to bring some wood back in that says It's a Girl, and that is from the die cut cardstock pieces, the ephemera pieces. Then I wanted another something behind that to kind of separate the floral from the florals there. And I found that it was some word phrases. So I'm kind of playing with this a little bit, but it's in the green. So I'm going to use that die cut there to help separate that just a little bit. Adding just a little foam tape behind that sticker so that it doesn't sit off the backing too badly. So like I said, this was very, very fast, you guys. Most of my layouts are between 30 and 40 minutes. A lot of time closer to 35 or so. So 15 or 14 is really fast for me. But like I said, I kind of had my mojo going. I had been playing with the papers a little bit and kind of knew that I wanted to use that floral paper with the wood background for something. And then these I saw these photos and thought, oh my gosh, these are perfect for that. All right. So then I'm just bringing in the enamel dots, and those are the adhesive enamel shapes, again from the Echo Park Baby Girl collection. That's what all of these are from here. So then I'm just adding in some of the corals and greens and whites. There's an aqua on that too. They're pretty, pretty, pretty. And this is taking me a little bit. This took me, part of it was a long time, considering this only was 14 minutes. I think it was just finding the right spots and the right colors to use. And in which sizes, right? That's the dilemma. Okay. So there we go. That was not, oh, I know what it was. A little edge of that phrase little die cut was showing, so I had to cut that off. It was showing at the bottom and it just didn't look right. If it had been bigger, that would have been okay, but it didn't look right the way it was. So I'm gluing that part down right there. And then coming up here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.